Hi there, this is Charlie Bryant, and I'd like to welcome you to my pool room. Wow, has this ever happened to you? I guess it's time for the tip of the month. Well, anybody that knows me knows I'm all about systems. You know, I got tired of scratching like that and not really knowing what is going to happen after I shoot a ball that's close to the rail or frozen. So I set myself some parameters to have myself a system of how to do this and figure out exactly what's going to happen. Now I would like to explain to you what I mean by the 3-diamond rule and tell you what this setup means. Okay? So from this angle, where the cue ball is coming from the pocket to the cue ball down there that's touching the 1 or greater. Okay? What I mean by greater is a greater angle. Now I'm going to explain the setup and I'll go into a little bit more detail for you. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to move this cue ball straight across the table and make this a ghost ball over here. So I'm going to place my tip next to the 1 at the ghost ball that would be next to the object ball. When I come up 1 diamond, here's the 1 ball. I come up 2 diamonds, here's the 2 ball. When I come up 3 diamonds, this is the 3 ball. This is generally the best that you can do when trying to draw the ball up the table. Okay, now that I've explained the setup here, let's go through the mechanics of the shot. Okay, we are going to be using low right hand English or low outside, and if we hit the ball correctly with a soft to a soft medium snap, we will come between 2.5 to 3.5 diamonds. If you get to 3.5 diamonds, you hit the ball really, really good. Okay? If you hit the ball too hard, you're going to come at 1 3/4 to 2 1/4. So now let's shoot the shot. That's perfect. Now these are the different examples of what you can and what you can't do. The parameters are, again, from 1 3/4 to 3.5. If you hit it too hard, you're going to come at 1 3/4 to 2 1/4. If you hit the ball really good, you're going to come between 2.5 to 3.5. I'd like to thank you for tuning in, and I sure hope this helps you. Choo-choo! The Hillbilly Express is coming to you. This is your tip of the month.